What's up, guys? It's your boy CeeLo back with another video. As you can see, we are in our little office space off of our front porch. Got some boxes to open up, some more parts for the Magnum that also helps get her ready for the summertime. You know, well needed parts. So let's get into it. Let's get into these boxes. So this box right here is from Flashmaster. Flashmaster. I know what it is, but I ain't gonna tell you. I could, but it'd ruin unboxing. So this is where we at. Should use my razor blades. I'm sitting here trying to use that. I don't have to. This is a long overdue part, just so y'all know, man. Long overdue. Pretty good package, you know. For return. Alright, see, they don't require people to send them back, but they would like for people to send their cords back. It also helps. So, we're probably going to send the cord back for Alright, Flashmaster. Bring it over here so y'all can see. Yeah, need that card. Now, this is a computer, and they got on there Flashmaster right there as well. Plug and play computer for the Magnum, so that way we can get rid of the lightning bolt. I guess we're just gonna keep these papers so we can send my old one back. My paperwork. Now, for anybody who has to go through this is a spot I found off of eBay, and like I told you, the name of the place is Flashmaster. Once again, I'll show y'all the card. And this is the computer for the Magnum, so that way we can get rid of the lightning bolt, because evidently my computer is acting up on my Magnum. So we done changed out the intake twice. I done changed out the intake, the throttle body twice, and both of them, come to find out, were still good, and it's the computer. Now, I did all of these things myself, but I took it to my peoples down the shop at Jerley's, where they did my modifications for my mufflers. So yeah, he let me know computer was bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and hook the computer up myself, as y'all will see in another video. But I'm glad to have this, man. I really needed this. So it's not, you know, perfect. Well, to me it's brand new, even though it's... Alright, we back. My camera ran out of space, so... But yeah, this is a good thing for my car. So it's definitely gonna run better. I ain't gonna have to use my cheat code to drive my car when my lightning bolt come on. So we're gonna see how this operates. Now, let's get back once again. Flashmaster. And give them a shout if you need a part. And I paid $200, $199, and free shipping. So yeah. Now let's check this other box out. Something else we need too. Go ahead and set this over here. Flashmaster card. Box heavy. Yep. We definitely trying to get the Magnum together. We got plans. So these are most needed parts for everything that we're doing with the Magnum. This box full of fingers. See my little space behind me pressing. And I know y'all hear the Cricut machine going as well.
Making masks.
Yeah. We're making masks. And, alright. These are just really replacement parts. But much needed replacement parts. As I said earlier in the video. Feel like a kid on Christmas trying to get into something and they don't even want to let me get into it. Alright. They ain't give me no card.
Here's your shit. Have a nice day.
Alright. Right here. We got these new upper control arms for the Magnum. As well, we got right and left. And we got the sway bars. Ball joint kit. And the other one, right and left control arms. And sway bar link. All this is good for the Magnum. Getting ready to get redone. You know, can't just do cosmetics without doing underneath of her, you know. Car still fall apart just because it look good. You know, they ain't gonna stop nothing. They ain't gonna do nothing but hurt you in the long run. So it's best to, if you need to get it done, just go ahead and get it done. Get it out the way. And then you can have fun even more than what you having now. Without a nigga like, yo, your car making noise, bro. It looks good, but your car making noise. We not doing that. It's either all in or nothing. So, more parts. So, she gotta go back down to the shop, get some more work done. Now, I usually do my own work to my car. But, being a little bit messed up from a work injury, Can't do that right now. So, I only can do some things. So, that's it. That's all. Please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell so y'all can get all upcoming content that I do put out. And I do have more things to show y'all. I got Escalade out front. I told y'all we got work coming. So stay tuned for that. I just ain't pulled them boxes out. But we have a few things. So
It's an Escalade.
My bad. Escalade. We're doing away with the Escalade. And she come up with Escalade. So once again, as y'all see, it's your boy CeeLo, Smoking Metal Car Fun. Like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell so you can get all upcoming content that I do put out once again. Peace. Smoking Metal Car Fun. Like, comment, subscribe.